The 5th gen Toyota 4Runner has a really easy cabin filter, and I'll show you every step on camera. The filter is located inside the glove box, so you'll need to take everything out of it like I've already done. Look for this black rectangular panel in the back and push down on both the locking tabs. The first panel will pivot downward out of the way. The next panel will be white and have squeeze tabs on the sides. Push them towards the middle and pull out the panel. Now we can remove the old cabin filter, and I've got an original Toyota filter in here, so the arrow simply says up with an arrow pointing up. It's important that if you get an aftermarket filter like I did, you pay attention to what the arrow says, because they fit in other cars too, and we'll use the airflow direction instead because of that. On these 4Runners, the airflow is down. After putting the new filter in correctly, we can put both covers on, starting with the white, that just snaps in, then the black, which will pivot in and click. Test out the airflow to make sure everything is working and you're all good. I went above and beyond on this airflow test because I was curious about how restrictive a HEPA filter is. Based on what I observed, it looks like at lower settings the airflow is slowed down a bit, but at maximum speed I wasn't able to tell the difference. If you would like to know more about why the airflow arrow is important, check out this other video I made explaining it in more detail.